Hello and welcome to Meta Ads restoration case study. And the account was suspended for around 8 years before we were finally able to get it restored. So yeah, it was a difficult restoration because we tried to restore the account multiple times in the multiple span of years and it was failed. However, as a Meta certified, we got a dedicated manager who helped us along, and the story is quite different. The story was actually started with the unpaid balance. Three times it was tried to be paid and it went to failed, and the account had outstanding payment balance, and then the credit card through which the payment was supposed to be done had expired because the uh, 8 years is a too long time. So yeah, let's get started on how we were able to get it restored. So you can see over here the account is fine now. It's not had any issues right now, but I'm going to show you the initial one as well. So you can see over here that your account ads have stopped running, updating the business information for your ads to continue running ads. This was the second one, but before this you may see over here that the account was suspended over here. So you may see another over here as well, where you can see that it was your ad account has been restricted from advertising. We noticed unusual activity associated with your account. For your security, you will not be able to create new ads. To restore the account, verify your email address. However, the link was expired and it had quite trouble payments and in doing the payments and everything. So I'm going to refresh in front of you so you guys see the clear picture. So regarding the account, and then we can decide on then that how we were able to get it restored. So you may see over here that you can see that the account payment was failed in February 7, and then it was in 23 August that it went into paid state. So you can see that it took around 10 years, not 8 years, but to be 10 years to get it approved. So for the approvals, you may see over here that this was an email which we got. Hi Ali, thank you for contacting Meta. We took steps to protect your account from protection unauthorized activity. After a thorough review, we are pleased to inform you that we have deactivated your account and restored payment functionality. You should now be able to run ads and make payments on Facebook from Meta. So actually the payment functionality was disabled, which was causing us to restore the account. So you can see over here that we were successfully able to restore it, and another email as well. Okay, it's the same email. So you can see that how we were able to restore it. To verify your payment method, you can see go over here and verify, and everything was done. New payment method was added as well, and you can see that the account do not have any suspension error right now and not any unpaid balance, which it has because the payment has been done for this amount. So yeah, this is a successful case study for Meta payment. In case if your Meta ads account has been suspended, we would love to help you with you. And in case if you need Meta ads management, in case if you need Bing ads management, and if you need Google ads management, or in case if your account is being suspended on Google, Meta, Merchant Center, or Bing ads, or anywhere, me and my company can help you. And we are a full-fledged digital marketing agency, and there is details in the description of this video on how you can reach me and my team to get your account sorted. And we look forward to working with you, and we also help clients in auditing, setup, and optimizing their campaigns as well on Google and Meta. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.